Watch the video and learn how to install and use the Evolution Pro 2 car seat. The seat can be fitted using a 3-point safety belt or on an Isofix base. However, never fit it on a seat with an active front airbag. Ensure that the handle is in the correct position. When horizontal, the child is in a lying position which cannot be used while driving. Only the sitting position may be used in the car. Position the seat with the handle in the vertical position. Pull out the safety belt. Run the lap belt through the 2 guides. Fasten the buckle and tighten the lap belt. Position the shoulder belt along the side of the seat and under the rear cover. Like this. Check that all belts are properly tightened and are not twisted. To remove the seat, follow these steps in reverse order. Time to fit the Evolution Pro 2 using the Kiddy Isofix base 2. Unlock the base by pulling on this handle. Slide the connectors onto the Isofix anchors until they lock. The base is correctly locked in place when green indicators appear on both sides. Now set up the support leg. Extend it all the way to the floor of the vehicle and adjust it until it locks. That's perfect. Use the guide rail to move the main part of the base forward. Place the seat so that the locking bars fit in the grooves in the base. Check for the green indicators on the front and sides. To ensure maximum safety for your child, move the seat as far back as possible. To remove the seat, use the release mechanism on the base. Pull the handle and lift the seat. Removing the base is just as easy. Pull the locking buttons forward to release the connectors from the Isofix anchors. Release the support leg and fold it under the base. The Evolution Pro 2 includes a removable insert which provides a stable position for small children. When your child outgrows it, undo the buckle and remove the insert by putting the shoulder straps through the openings. The safety harness can be adjusted in 5 different positions. First, move the seat handle to the upright position. Then press this button under the cover and loosen the shoulder straps. Adjust the height of the harness inside the seat. Open the cover by pushing here. Turn the adjustment clasp 90 degrees clockwise and pull it outwards. Now move the handle up or down, depending on your child's height. The correct position for the straps depends on the child's shoulders. Then lock the clasp by turning it anti-clockwise and close the cover. Adjust the straps to the child's body shape. Place the shoulder straps over their shoulders and securely fasten the buckle. Then pull here to tighten the belts. Return the handle to the upright position and check that the belts are properly secured. The travel system function allows the seat to be fitted on a pushchair frame. In that case, the Evolution Pro 2 can be used in a sitting or lying position. To remove it, use these buttons. Finally, remember that the seat cover can be removed for washing. When doing so, pay attention to the buckles at the back of the seat. These will allow you to remove the strap protectors. If you have any doubts, see the printed instructions or contact us at www.kiddy.com.
Kiddy. Engineered with love.